Hello everyone, how you're doing? I hope you're doing great. Welcome to this series where we'll be talking about how we actually make money from the stock market. As a way of disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. I am just a YouTuber. Nothing I say here should be taken as a legal advice or a recommendation to buy, hold, or sell any financial assets. In this video, I want to get into the exciting part of our series, and that is the part that actually makes you money. In our previous video, we talked about what the stock is, how to get stocks, and how to get good companies at a reasonable price. We talked about different indicators of choosing a good stock. I trade stock options. Most people think that stock options is so risky, so complicated. I thought about that too, when I first started, until I started trading and consistently making profits, and I saw how easy it is. So what is a stock option? A stock option is a financial contract that gives you the right and not the obligation to buy or sell a stock at a specific price within a specific period. And generally, you have two types of stock options. You have the call option and then you have the put option. So the call option is you betting or believing that a stock would rise. If a stock was trading at $50 and then you believe that the stock was going to go to $70, then you buy a call option. A lot of people do not understand this part of the stock market. A lot of traders, I've met people who have been buying stocks. They buy Vanguard, they buy S&P 500 and all the ETFs and indexes. They buy all of these stocks and hold it for years. And hopefully it was going to pay for their retirement or take care of them in retirement. They hold it for 10 years, 20 years and all of that. But my strategy is different. I do that as well, but I need a strategy that can generate me income every week, every month, consistently. So that's what I do, and that's what we want to be talking about. That's the aspect of the stock market a lot of traders, a lot of people do not understand. I was so confused. I didn't understand what it was until I actually paid for a class. I remember paying about $2,500 for a 6-hour class. That was when I started reviewing the materials and listening to the instructor. Stock options help you to leverage. It helps you to hedge your positions. I want to show you how I made about 9% of my invested capital in 7 days. My invested capital was $3,400. I had this trade on the 10th of April and the expiration was on the 17th. That's $3,400. So I own 100 shares of this stock, CWVX. My average price was $34. I had $3,400. I bought 100 shares. Instead of me holding back my stock and just waiting for the stock to appreciate, I started generating income on that stock. What I did was to sell a call option for $36. And for selling that contract, just that one contract, I was given a premium of $100. At expiration on the 17th, because this trade was on the 10th, at expiration on the 17th, what happened? The stock was trading at about $40. Remember, my cost price was $34, so they collected the stock from me at my strike price, which was $36. If you multiply $2 by 100, you get $200. So remember, I was paid a premium of $100, and then I made another profit of $200. So if you do the calculation, you discover that I made close to about 9% of my money in just 1 week. So that's the power of stock option. So you can start generating income from what you already own. It can help you leverage. You can generate income from the stocks that you already own. That's how stock options work. So the stock I already own, let's say I own Apple, I own Amazon, I have up to 100 stocks of Apple, I have 100 stocks of Amazon. Instead of just waiting for Amazon or Apple to appreciate in price, I can start generating income from the stock I already own, as long as I own at least 100 shares of that company.